We're taught that life is like a hill. After you work hard, it'll get easier. That's the promise, right? So you're climbing the hill, and once you reach the top, then you're at the top of the hill, you're okay. As of course the carrot. Once you get an education, once you get a job, then you'll be happy. Once you have a job, then you gotta have a mortgage, then you'll be happy. So once you get this far, then it'll be okay. And once you get this far, then it'll be okay. And you're constantly hoping that one day it'll be okay. And you realize that it's actually a lie. But you're taught, work hard now and it'll get easier later, right? But that's not true, because life is cumulative. So everything that's ever happened to you, you carry with you forever. Life is not like a hill, life is like a mountain. The further up the mountain you go, the steeper it gets. That's true. So when you see a ledge, don't sit down, keep climbing, because you keep on carrying everything that you've ever done, all your garbage, all your luggage, you carry with you. It gets heavier up the mountain and the mountain gets steeper, but you get better at climbing. That's the only thing that you could possibly do, is get better at climbing. Everything that you've ever done is cumulative, and life is not going to get easier. It won't. Not in any aspect. Not in a single aspect is it going to get easier. Yeah, you pick an aspect, it's not easier. Yeah, despite what people have promised you. They were lying. I'm telling you the truth. Yeah, but with that comes an encouragement. Keep contributing. Keep climbing the mountain. Keep getting better at the mountain. If your skill of climbing the mountain improves at the same rate that the mountain gets steeper, you're still doing okay.